Okay, we're going to try to cut some 1/4-inch plate steel and see what will happen. I don't know if I'm going too fast, too slow. We'll just have to see. Now that cuts that like butter. Cuts like butter. Wow. Let's try to cut some pieces off this steel here and see what will happen. Because let's cut a couple pieces off this and then we'll try welding them together. Let's cut this. Let's see. I probably should be clamping this stuff. Makes it a lot easier to hold. There's one piece we'll weld. Okay, now we're going to try a piece of stainless steel. Let's see if this little $300 unit will cut it. Here goes nothing. Wow, that stuff cuts like butter. And that's stainless. Okay, you know what? Let's try a piece of aluminum. Let's try that. Stick that puppy out there. Here goes nothing. Yo! Now, I think that little cutter is worth every bit of $300. Okay, I think we've cut up about all we can cut. I'll try to cut a little circle out of this. Again, going back to this 1/4 inch. If you look at these cuts, my problem is trying to hold still, but it cuts this stuff just like butter. I think what we'll do is shut this off and try to do some welding real quick. So let's hang this up and get this one out. I had to put down a weld, just a bead, just to see what we're doing here, and then we'll look at it. It always helps to plug your unit in. Okay, That looks pretty darn good to me. Let me brush that off a little bit. What do you think? So let's try to, oh, you know what? Let's try to weld these things together. We cut these off a little bit ago. I'll tack them and then run a bead. That's not, I gotta get a better ground than that. Let's see if we can't get a better ground. Not a good ground. Let's see what we can put it down here and do it. Okay. Well, I'll tell you what, that thing cooks. That is one good weld. I mean, let's see what penetrated the other side. Oh, you know what I did? I welded it too far. Whoa, right on through. Let's try it. Well, I'll tell you what, I think it's pretty darn good for a $300 welder. Let's give it a try with something bigger. Let's go to that. Let's weld. Yeah. I don't know if I can get that. Let's try one thing about this plasma cutter, when you get that slag on there, they call it slag, I guess, it just comes right off. What we're going to do is try to weld it right there. Now I'll have to hold that puppy, so let's see what'll happen there. I think I can do it. Whoa, that is cooking. That's not a bad weld. It's not a real straight weld, but I'll tell you what, that looks pretty good. Then you could always go back over your weld. Now that weld, to me, is pretty good. I went over that twice, but I don't think you need to. It would be pretty darn good. That's about it.